Hey guys, what's up? Well, second. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi. So for today's video, I don't have a script. I don't have anything. I just wanted to talk my heart out. I was having some random thoughts in my head, and so I thought I'll make a video. Okay, so I recently made a sit and talk video. Sorry. So I recently made a sit and talk video, and unexpectedly that got a really good response. So I thought I'll make more of these and I will name them something. So if you have any suggestions on what to name them, do let me know in the comment section. So I am sure I'm going to make this a series. So this is the second one of the series. Okay, so starting with the video. In this video I'm going to talk about how my life changed when I stopped listening to people. By stopping to listen to people, what I mean is how to frame it. As I said, I don't have a script. Okay, so what I mean is, I guess 2 साल से मैंने अपना friend circle बहुत ही limited कर लिया. I created an invisible wall around me. वैसे भी I am an ambivert or more of an introvert kind of person. So I usually have very limited friends. But 2 साल पहले I had this enlightenment जिससे मुझे रियलाइज हुआ दैट आई डोंट नीड सो मेनी पीपल इन माई लाइफ. आई नीड लिमिटेड फ्यू पीपल, बट दोज पीपल शुड ओनली गिव आउट पॉजिटिव वाइब्स. एंड बाय पॉजिटिव वाइब्स आई डू नॉट मीन कि वो हमेशा मेरी तारीफ करे या हमेशा मेरी वीडियोज़ की तारीफ करे या कुछ भी मैं करूँ उसकी तारीफ करे. बाय पॉजिटिव पीपल आई मीन पीपल हु टेल मी ऑनेस्टली what they think of me or the content I create or anything that I do. By positive people, I mean people who provide positive criticism, and I know that in their heart they want good for me, and not someone who says things just to demotivate me, or someone who never talks to me but just comes up to me to tell me things like, oh in that video na you did that, वो part अच्छा नहीं लगा. So there are still people जिनसे मेरी बात भी नहीं होती है, but they come up to my Instagram DM or WhatsApp if they have my number and they tell me यार उस वीडियो में ना वो गलती कर दी तुमने. You have no idea how much that impacts my head, dude. Why would you do that? I have put out that video. It has got some number of views and now you're coming and telling me उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा? I'm not going to delete that video, right? Sorry, I'm taking it to the YouTube. मैं इसको थोड़ा YouTube की तरफ ले जा रही हूँ. But this is one example which I had and I wanted to share. So अब मैंने वो upload कर दिया है. There's nothing I can do about it, right? I won't delete it for a silly mistake. But you planted that seed in my head कि मैंने वो गलती की. Maybe I had not realized it and I was happy all along. Or maybe I had realized it but मुझे लगा था people have not noticed it because no one had pointed it out. But since you have pointed it out now, वो मेरे दिमाग में चलेगा, right? And what is the use of all? What is the use of this? Like, तो मैं थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने लग गई कि ऐसे लोग क्यों करते होंगे. Like, why would people say such things? It's not a mean thing that someone said, but आप thoughtful नहीं थे, right? बोलने से पहले, because आपको लगा कि आपने कुछ सोचा ही नहीं, आपने बस बोल दिया. आपको क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? कुछ आपका फ़ायदा हुआ नहीं हुआ. So the moral of this monologue was that I don't want to stay in touch with these kind of people. So gradually what I did is I started cutting out these people जो मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा डिमोटिवेट करते हैं और plant a seed in my head of my incapabilities or something that I cannot do or something that I'm not doing right, directly or indirectly. So I feel I'm very good at understanding people, understanding the indirect things that people say, or people say something and mean something else. So I'm good at understanding कि वो क्या सोच के क्या बोल रहे हैं. So that's when I decided that no, I'm going to have a limited circle, but I'm going to maintain my self-respect. I'm only going to be around people who are going to respect me, who are going to provide me positive criticism and like encourage me in any way, but or if not encourage, at least not discourage me in any possible small way. So I did that, and I have been doing it over a few years, and I have seen immense changes in my personality, in my thoughts, in my motivation. जितना मैंने कम लोगों से बात करना स्टार्ट किया, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कीप अ स्मॉल सर्कल, बट आई एम सेइंग इज अगर आपका बड़ा सर्कल है एंड इफ एवरीबडी इज पॉजिटिव देन इट्स अमेजिंग, बट दैट यूजुअली डज नॉट हैपन. सो अभी ऐसा सिचुएशन है, आई एम ग्रोइंग इमोशनली, मेंटली एंड यूट्यूबिकली. सो जस्ट किडिंग. टिल टुडे समवन टेल्स मी यार वो इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट ना वो क्या था, तो आई डोंट लिसन टू देम, आई जस्ट कट देम आउट. आई नो इट्स वेरी रूड टू से, बट वाई वुड दे से दैट? उनको क्या फ़ायदा हो रहा है आपको ऐसा बोल के? मुझे ये आई थिंक कि उन्हें क्यों बोला होगा, अनलेस इट्स वेरी वेरी वल्गर और समथिंग दैट शुड नॉट बी ऑन द सोशल मीडिया. अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो फाइन, बट अगर आपकी क्वालिटी में कुछ इशू है तो वो क्यों सामने से आके आपको ऐसा बोलेंगे? And if they're doing that, then are they worth keeping in your life? I don't think so. So I realized it quite late, but जब से ये किया है ना, I am the person who's giving myself motivation or demotivation. So, and when I feel demotivated, I go to my positive friends and they provide me too much energy, and I feel like नहीं यार वो अच्छा नहीं था ना, क्या बात कर रही है, अमेजिंग था. So that's what you need, baby, that's what you need. So if you have these nice, cute, supportive people around you, then आपका mood ऐसा switch होता है and you feel so good about yourself. Okay, so that was my story of how my life changed after I blocked few negative people from my life, basically negativity from my life. And I believe everyone should do this because it works wonders. It's great for your self improvement, it's great for your moral boost, and yeah, there's no point, basically there's no point. So choose your friends wisely, and that's what I would say. It does not matter if you have a big circle or a small circle. A small circle of even 1 or 2 people who are very supportive of you is what matters. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the red one right there. I have observed that I am getting so many views, but people are not subscribing to my channel. ऐसा क्यों? Why? I'm making so many videos, I'm taking so much effort, and people are not subscribing. It's really sad. So I hope you hit the subscribe button. I hope you don't forget that. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye. So that's all I wanted to cover in this week. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Do you understand? I'm at a loss of words. Sorry.